So this is a quick explanation from many requests from viewers. I'm going to show you how I have it rigged up. I have this wire coming from the relay stuck into this fuse. The fuse is plugged in. That goes from fan number 1 to, I guess, fan number 1. This rigs it so the fan stays on continuously once these two are connected. And this is for the kill switch, so these two run all the way inside the car to here, and when you flip the switch, the fans turn on. So I hope that helped. Turn it off. Fans turn off.